Do 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 do. All right, guys, that was technically an intro, and I still don't know how to edit. But today I found this very weird game called Balloon Monkey City, but right here it just says Monkey City. And let's play. But if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. And if you like this video, and if you want me to see this again, let's get this up to 2 likes. Downloading the latest content. This will probably should have gotten this done. How's your life, guys? Good? Confused? Yeah, yeah. Come on, yay! Welcome to Balloons Monkey City. Balloons Monkey City. No. What? I think my sister played this. This is a tower defense game. I also write in the description on this game. And, so, you know. And, I don't know what I just did. It just got faster. What did I just do? Okay. Let's just click that again. Alright. I wonder if there's a speed higher up than that. But right now it's not letting me access it if there is. And, let's just get that. Okay, it says click on building. Whatever the icon is, I'm pretty sure it's building. Free. Okay, that's what it said. What was that guy? What do you say? Go. I just clicked on go. What the heck? Capture dryland. Okay, whatever that is. It's probably a little tree icon. I don't know. Build a monkey academy. Research a long range darts upgrade. Why would we want to build a monkey academy anyway? And how do you do that? Let's see. Let's what are those dots? Anyway, those might be the difficulty. What the? Why is there why is there a guy over there, a helicopter guy? Okay, that's kind of strange. What is that? Balloon. And those gems kind of look like balloons. I'm just gonna call them balloon gems. Attack. I don't know. Still, connect with Facebook. We have 3 dart monkeys. They're called. Oh wow, there is actually a speed up. Okay, I was just wanting to test that out because that will be good because this game is a slow tower defense game. Which is requires research. Okay. I think that was what it was about, like monkey or whatever. I just let's go over here. So, what are our upgrades? Did they just give us more monkeys? What? What is all of this? Why is there a level 11? Oh, Super Monkey Villa. I guess that's home to a Super Monkey. the figure that it kind of looks like is that Super Monkey? He kind of looks like a superhero. I don't know. Wizard's Tower. Maybe a wizard lives in there. Ace Airport. I don't know. Mortar Range. Could you correct me on that in the comments? I know it is not mortar, but I don't know. Spike Factory. Port. Dirtling Gun. Glue Gun. House of Ice. Monkey Village. Maybe this might give us more monkeys. No ads though. We're not doing ads today. You see it says skip and it has a television icon. That usually means there's ads. Madam, I've never played this game before. I'm pretty sure my sister has. But yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot the other speed. Doo-doo. There's I guess no music to this game. I don't know, guys. I really like this graphics though. These graphics are just very good. So I guess like there's a balloon popped icon or whatever. It just has like a white thing on it. And it keeps going up, and I think that's like how many balloons these guys popped. 3. We got no lives lost, so some balloon gems. That's good. I don't know what they're called though. Let's go over here. What is this? I'm just gonna explore. So these are the upgrade buildings. Oh, so that makes sense. I didn't read the label. These are the monkey buildings. Special buildings. Requires levels. What even are these? Yeesh. Yeesh. These are a lot. Whoa. Wow. The MVM buildings. Oh. Wow, the balloon inflation faculty or whatever. Correct me in the comments. Is cool. Requires level. Balloon sprint track. Wow, these are all super cool. A blimp construction hangar. Okay. I wonder if blimps are an enemy in this game, though. I mean, they probably aren't, but I don't know. Okay, what is the heck? What's this? I think this is like, oh, this is the decorator, so just to decorate your stuff. Bamboo City Wall. What? Are there... There's a map purchases in this game, isn't there? Yep, there's a map purchases. I can never say that correctly. Anyway, yeesh. And also the reason why you're hearing that clicking is because I'm putting my mic up, and you don't want to hear a guy coughing and snorting and sneezing. Okay. And monkeys. Yeah. This all costs some money. Nope, we're not doing that. I just want to. Oh, it's a boomerang hut. I kind of want to put some paths, but let's. No, there's no tasks because I was just looking at like that weird book that we looked at before. Nah. There's not really anything to do. That's high difficulty, I'm pretty sure. What? Oh, oh. What was that? What was that other thing? It looks like a siren. So, it was a plane monkey, I'm pretty sure. Maybe it was an ace monkey. Maybe it was home to that ace thing that we saw earlier. I don't... No! 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 What will happen if they get to the end anyway? We lose hearts. We lose hearts. I saw a heart. I saw a heart icon over there. And, yeah. Sorry if this is boring, but I'm having a pretty fun time with this game, guys. I might show you some techniques on how to beat some stages, maybe, but, for now, I just, yeah, we've captured a grass terranium tile. What is this? Okay, now you finish some upgrades. Upgrades. I'm not... I kind of want... Whoa. Whoa, that's a lot. No, we are not skipping stuff. I don't want to waste my balloon gems or whatever they're called. Balloon gems, smaloon gems. I don't care. No. I kind of want to build a windmill. I like windmills. Do I have any more tasks? No. I guess this game is just all about tower defense. I kind of want to see this. Okay. That monkey looks kind of like a ninja. But, I don't know. Connect with Facebook to play Balloon Monkey City. No. No, I will not. I don't have Facebook. And I am a kid. I don't have Facebook. Yep, nothing can get past my monkeys. Now feel my monkey's wrath! And then, if anything get past, there's gonna be another monkey waiting. Ninja monkeys are excellent around. I didn't get upside down. Ooh, that's over. Yay, we got to level 4 later. No, I'm not spending my money. I'm saving it for another video game. Actually, I don't know what I'm saving it for. Build a windmill. I accidentally did that. Move on up. And then here the monkey. Hold on a building and then move it. Sounds easy enough. Okay. Place 5 paths. Okay, that's cool. That's good to know. Oh, move it. You have to move it. Guys! Well, I didn't know that this is all about moving stuff. I can still missay some stuff. I think the dirt path looks pretty cool. There. Quest complete. Give me those coins and stars. Let's... I think the ninja monkeys are like the best, so let's just like... Okay, stop saying like, bro. You're saying it way too much. You're abusing the word. Okay, fine. God. Okay. I'm afraid of this terranium. What does this guy do? Oh, he's a boomerang thrower. Oh, wait. Yeah, well, duh. That was what the building said. Anyway. Oh, wow. Wow, he is good. Wow, wait, what? We went to round 3 already? I thought we were on round 2. Wow, he is good. Yeah, I like that monkey. I'm just gonna place another monkey. Oh my. That's what my snorts sound like. Why? What's over here? Wait, stop building. Oh, it's just pink balloons. I think those are hard. Nope. Yeah, I'm afraid of those guys. Let's just attack there and build some more windmills because we need windmills. Right now I'm just focusing on the windmills so we don't have this problem ever again. Well, actually, I'm pretty sure we're gonna have it again, but not in a while. Let's just build Windmill City. Why don't we? Anyway, we did it. Favorite green check mark, 50% less. No lives lost. You've captured a grass terranium tile. Okay. Oh, that's done. Ooh. Yay! Tasks. Not tax. Bombs away. I'm not gonna read that. No, just build a bomb range. So, what do you want? Oh yeah, build a windmill. I can't build a bomb range right now, buddy. I hate waiting for all this stuff. I'm just like, come on! 3 windmills at a time. Are you kidding me? 3 windmills. Maybe we can build a money bank. No! No, we can't. No, we can't. It's not gonna happen. Well, this game is all about waiting. And I hate waiting. Let's just cost our money. But this game is very fun. I don't have the link below in the description, but I don't know how to get links. Maybe I could put it down in the description. Wait. Okay, what did I, oh. Oh. Okay. I just put another guy there. Now that guy is wearing, those ninja things. Those headband now. Wait, no, we want long darts. We want long darts so that guy doesn't get a job. Because we've only popped 2 balloons and this guy has popped almost 100. 100 balloons now. Over 100. 120. And now he's popping some more. Boomerang. Finish him off. And now I'm going upstairs because my mom said I was being too loud. Going into my room, not the office. Because the Wii thing is going off and it's kind of freaking me out. Yes, we have a Wii. We also have a Game Boy. A Game Boy Advance, so, you know. What? How can the monkeys go over to there? That doesn't... Oh, we have a ninja monkey. I think he's trying to be among us. Is he saying, shh? Anyway, let's play a hard one. No, we're not gonna try one with pink balloons. But I am willing to try like one with not all yellows either. I mean, I don't know really what the yellows are, but I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Are you kidding me? More ways to spend our monkey balloons. Our balloon gems. Yeah, and they said it was gonna be hard. Oh, there it is. There it is. I kind of wanna try the ninja monkey because he hasn't had his time to show. How much does he cost? $500 for one ninja monkey. Wow. He must be very good then. I mean, I don't know if he is, but he better be good. Well, I'm just repeating the stuff that I just said. Oh my, no! We lost a life. We lost some lives. Ninja monkey, you better be good. You better be a good monkey. Wait, I'm just gonna sell ninja and put ninja over here, just in case they get past ninja and dart. Oh. Yeah, that was good. Ninja monkey can attack pretty fast. I wonder what his upgrades are. I kind of want to try that sharp dart on the dart monkey. But I don't know. Like, does it go through balloons or something? Oh, we didn't get any balloons because we lost some of our lives. But we just are you kidding? No. This video is not sponsored by anything, guys. This video is not sponsored by anything. We don't want this ad. I don't know how to edit this out. My dad still hasn't teach me how to edit. I hate these games with ads. I can't buy for the no ad. At least the ad is over. This video is not sponsored by anything. I couldn't skip the ad. Don't blame me. And no, this video is not sponsored by anything. Get one treasure chest. No. Asian hunt. Capture one of the. We have to capture one of those. Where? Are you kidding me? It's over all the way there. What the heck is that, blimp? Is that a blimp, I mean? I think that's a blimp, actually. A cave? What the? I'm just exploring now. Okay. There's a desert area. So I don't know what to say, guys. I will if you want to see this again, make sure you leave make sure we get this video up to 2 likes. And make sure you comment down below, or if you want to play this game again, and if you want to watch me see this play again game, you know what I mean. But I really like this game, and hopefully you like it. But without further ado, make sure you subscribe. Actually, why don't we just play one round of Among Us? Let's just play one round of Among Us, guys. I mean, that sounds good. So, but, yeah. And also make sure you comment down below if you want me to play Among Us again. But I've already sent a video down. Remember the mobile game thing about Among Us? Like, no, I'm actually not gonna follow that, Dad. Let's see if we are the imposter. No, Dad has already started. Nope. Maybe, yes, Angel Dust. Back. Oh. I want to be red. Mommy, hi, I'm a girl. I a girl. I'm live. No, I'm live. Done. I'm alive. They called it creepy. I call it loving me. Or I will kill you. You're firstborn. I'm alive. And then they're just like, let me turn the chat sensor on. You know what? I was kicked out anyway. I was kicked out. No. I hate when this happens. Like, you're kicked out of a server, and then oh yay, I'm red. I'm from Game Tunes now. Yeah, I watch him. I like his videos. He's funny. Oh, I have a skin. I'm gonna do that last. Oh wow, they updated it from since I played. Like they updated it, so now it has shapes. Pretty sure there's also a VR version. I'm sus of everybody in electrical. Oh, divert power. Okay, I love this task. I love this task in electrical. Security died. Nobody leaves the game when that happens. Nobody is getting their task done, though. Oh, unlock main folds. Yeah, why don't I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, come on. Who keeps sabotaging? Oh, what? Yeah, security died. And what a lemon. What? Where? Someone said where. I have task in Med B. Bay. Me too. I have to take out trash too. I meant me too. Follow me to Med Bay. Okay. Skip. Blah. Don't make anybody sus of you. Don't make anybody sus of you. Wait, what? Oh, it doesn't tell you the color now. I guess, apparently. Oh wait, no, I have to follow him. I have to follow the other guy. Because I have to. And now I'm doing it. So that's good. We are both safe. Believe it or not. I'm just gonna go the other way. Someone's gonna fix lights. And also, lights is always good. Because, you're not really sus of anybody. And, just do all our tasks. This game isn't fun when, Where? White outside security. I have one more task. Any sus? I was also saw red block stand. Any sus? Come on, watch me do shield. Cyan is sus. Cyan, what do you have to say about that? We can win off task. We won't say anything. I saw Cyan. Oh, I wasn't nav. You can't. That is so hard though. Whenever someone says, I saw, whatever color, then it just makes it so hard because you know what that means. It's like, I saw Cyan kill. Whenever someone says they're sus, it's, I don't care, then vote who? Just vote Cyan, but, like, I'm sorry, Cyan. I'm pretty sure you couldn't have been the, Oh! Hey, no ads! No ads. Good. But, make sure if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe if you're new, like I already said. And comment down below which game you want me to play again. And if you just give it like 4 likes, then I'll play both. But 2, then I'll have to choose one. Among Us is, I'm probably going to play it again. But without further ado, bye guys and see you next time.